like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As far as my eyebrows go, we're getting there, okay? That's the only update I have for you. We're getting there. Don't look too close at them. Thank you very much. I was able to put somewhat of a face on today, and we are going to try to move on with content, okay? So it is that time of the month. Today, actually the 15th? Is today the 15th? Today is the 15th. This is around the time of the month that I like to post this video. We are going to go through new products coming out and see if there's anything that we should be interested in. Let's go. Alrighty then, first up we have ColourPop. I feel like I do not talk about them as much in these videos anymore, but I also feel like people don't talk about ColourPop as much in general. It was all those collabs, all those releases, even the die-hard ColourPop fans, there was only so much you could purchase. And I feel like, I think I posted a video on that, how it kind of died off for the brand, and what ColourPop once was, it certainly is not anymore. And this is kind of what I would expect to be seeing about ColourPop. One of the first few times I remember talking about them. They have a new Pokemon collection. The Evolution collection comes with the standard things you would expect in a ColourPop, in a ColourPop collection, and also the collab looks like what I would expect as far as colors packaging goes for Pokemon, but the actual, like, I'm looking at the palette itself and it does nothing for me in terms of me actually wanting to put eyeshadow on. And y'all know I love color, but I'm looking at it, and if I was sitting down trying to put eyeshadow on, trying to put a look together, it's not giving me any inspiration. So I'm gonna keep scrolling. Okay, available now, addition to the balm.com, a New York lip balm and skin salve from Glossier, a moisturizing lip balm with antioxidants and emollients that nourishes for smooth, hydrated lips without the shine. I kind of like the shine in lip balms. But this retails for $16. I like their lip balms. It's actually one of the few things, I was going to say one of the few things I like from Glossier, but a lot of the makeup products from Glossier, I wouldn't write home about it, but like their lip balms, their skincare, I feel like that is where Glossier really shines. Their skincare, their perfumes, but like the makeup. But this looks cute. And it looks like it would be just a regular like balm you can throw in your bag and go. New minis from Soft Pinch Liquid Blush Rare Beauty, a weightless liquid blush that delivers high impact color with just one dot. Retails for $16. Am I bugging, or did this not exist already? I feel like I've talked about the blush coming in minis, especially around the holiday season. Maybe it was just like specific. No, but even before that, I feel like it came in minis. Am I? Okay. New collab. Bath & Body Works has collaborated with Hilary Duff on the Fruit Fusion collection. Standard Bath & Body Works products. I mean, you know, I do love me some Hilary Duff. I do like Bath & Body Works. I don't really use them as far as like body care goes. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've ever tried any of their products for like body care type thing. I would smell it at least. The products are probably, you know, good body care products. I would like stop into the store and smell it, but like I wouldn't rush for this. I don't love her that much. Not they're losing me within the first 3 seconds of us being here. New Lip Toy Staining Brush Lip Liner from Urban Decay. A lip liner that gives you vivid smudge-resistant stained color and freedom to sculpt, define, or blend with an ultra-flexible precision brush. From sharp definition to diffused ombre. Retails for $25. Comes in 6 shades. Y'all know I love a good lip liner, especially the brown. My eyes go right to the brown. I would try it out. Urban Decay, yeah. Have I tried a lip liner from them before? I don't think so, but I would try it out. Okay, new shades. Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer and Plumper from Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I like Gloss Bomb in general, but the heat version is the one that I prefer because y'all know I love a good lip plumper. So they have new shades. Let's see, a lip luminizer and plumper hybrid that delivers a hint of tint and fuller looking lips with a light peach scent. I don't remember it having, well, no, I do remember it having a scent. I don't. Mind you, I have it on right now. I don't remember if I smelled anything, but it retails for $26. And the new shades are Candy Lava, which is a sheer baby pink, and Purple Pepper, which is a sheer blackberry. I fear I'm gonna have to go see Candy Lava. I do. That type of like light pink like that is perfect for the middle of your lips when you're doing like ombre type of looks, or you know, you put on multiple products. Now, of course, on its own, on my skin tone, well, I mean, you never know. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go see that one. New Red Carpet Skin Luminous Longwear Serum Foundation from Hung Van Gogh. A concentrated yet weightless longwear serum foundation that delivers medium to full coverage with a hydrated, radiant, naturally blurred finish. Fade proof longwear. 38 shades, $46. And the brush for complexion is $36, right? So I said the foundation is $46, the brush is $36. I still need to try this brand. Every time I see them in Sephora, the products look promising. But I've just never stopped. But like maybe for foundation, I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and try this out because it looks pretty. New Soft Pinch Lip Oil Stick from Rare Beauty. A lip oil and gloss and lipstick in one. Lip oil reimagined in a stick. A juicy 3-in-1 hybrid that treats like an oil, shines like a gloss, and delivers bold, buildable colors. That's comfortable to wear for up to 12 hours. Lips look instantly plump and stays hydrated. Infused with apple seed oil and fresh apple scent. Retails for $25. I think most things at Rare Beauty are like $30 or less, I think. There are 3, 6, 8 shades available now. But I would try it. Again, y'all know I love a plumping product. If it's pigmented like the blushes, probably a good lipstick. And I told y'all, I've been wearing the MAC lipsticks. We might be bringing bullet lipsticks back. So, okay, another lip product. New Gloss Bomb Burst Color Intensifying Lip Luminizer. A nourishing gloss bomb with jelly shine bursting with color that gets bolder over time and leaves behind a light tint. Locks in moisture, nourishes, and strengthens lips' moisture barrier. Features XXL wand for easy application and irresistible peach vanilla scent infused with shea butter, vitamin E, and peptides. Retails for $26. There is Pink Blink, Hot Pink, and In a Jam, which is a bright berry. They're already available. Again, I would probably lean more towards the pinker shade. I just don't really do like purpley lips anymore. But you know, if you do, the color payoff would probably be really flattering. But yeah, I would probably get that pink one. And again, even that pink one, I wouldn't wear on its own. Good to mix with other colors. Okay, ooh, okay, new perfume from Ponytail. Say hello to Cloud Aurora, a dreamlike fragrance inspired by moments of magic and endless possibility. Warm, sweet, and spicy. Full size retails for $75. Mini size retails for $30. Notes include sponge sugar, vanilla glazed, amber, blonde wood, sandalwood. I feel like it's going to be a type of like woodsy, spicy vanilla. And y'all know I love me some Ponytail fragrances. And the packaging is always cute with those. Okay, let's do one more because honestly, truly, like it's giving letdown this month. When I tell you I'm looking at launches where I'm like, is there even really something to talk about? I saw a Lisa Frank body collection, I think with Tree Hut or something like that. Okay. Okay, new Halo Blur Luminous Blurring Setting Powder from Lancome. Blurring setting powder with a satin finish visibly reduces unevenness with purple pigments, neutralizes yellowish undertones for an even looking complexion, sets makeup, creates smooth, reduces shine, and softens imperfection. Creates a smooth. Maybe she didn't finish her sentence. Reduces shine and softens imperfections. I would check her out. I would go see that. I don't know if you guys remember when I tried the purple Huda powder, how that really neutralizes the face. So neutral undertones. You know, sometimes you have to juggle with certain products, even though they're supposed to be a neutral undertone. It might lean a little more cool or a little more warm than you would want it to. So purple powder might be, and it's Lancome. Lancome usually doesn't miss when it comes to complexion products. So that, might have to go see that. All right, y'all, and that is it for this month's video because the launches are just not giving. I feel like we get to that point in the year where it's usually like summertime-ish, maybe late summer, where the launches are just not giving like that. And it's maybe because brands are gearing up for the holiday season. I don't know if you guys saw, but they said last year's holiday season, like people spent the most money that they've ever spent, well, on credit cards, which Sure, that's a good thing, but maybe like brands are expecting something like that again, so they are more focused on their holiday launches and the promo for that and releasing products right before that. But this summer, baby, they said go ahead and get you this one size spray and call it a day. Bars. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. If there's anything new coming out that you would like to see me talk about, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.